In today's world, it's becoming increasingly important to have multiple streams of income. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or simply earn some extra cash, a side hustle can help you achieve your financial goals. And with the rise of remote work and the gig economy, there are more opportunities than ever before to start a side hustle from the comfort of your own home. One of the best side hustles you can start in 2023 is freelance writing. With the growth of online content, there's a high demand for quality writers who can produce engaging and informative articles, blog posts, and other types of content. If you have a way with words and a passion for writing, you can turn your skills into a profitable side hustle. Here's what you need to know to get started. First, you'll need to identify your niche. What topics are you passionate about? What industries or areas of expertise do you have? By focusing on a specific niche, you can establish yourself as an authority and attract clients who value your expertise. Next, you'll need to start looking for work. There are many websites and job boards that connect freelance writers with clients, such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. You can also reach out to businesses and websites in your niche directly and offer your services. When you're starting out, it's important to set realistic rates and build a portfolio of work that showcases your skills. You may need to take on lower-paying jobs or offer free samples to build your reputation and establish a client base. As you gain more experience and build a strong portfolio, you can increase your rates and start attracting higher-paying clients. You can also explore different types of writing, such as copywriting or technical writing, to diversify your skills and income streams. And the best part is, freelance writing is a flexible and scalable side hustle. You can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and take on as much or as little work as you want. With dedication and hard work, you can turn your writing skills into a profitable and fulfilling side hustle in 2023. So why not start your freelance writing side hustle today? With determination and persistence, you can achieve your financial goals and create a career that you love. Here are some more details on how to get started with freelance writing. Develop your writing skills. The first step to becoming a successful freelance writer is to hone your writing skills. You can do this by reading widely, practicing writing regularly, and taking writing classes or workshops. You can also learn from other freelance writers by reading their work and studying their techniques. Decide on your niche. Once you've developed your writing skills, it's important to decide on a niche or specialty. This can help you stand out from other freelance writers and attract clients who need your specific expertise. Your niche could be anything from business writing to travel writing to technical writing. Build your portfolio. To attract clients, you'll need to have a portfolio of writing samples that showcase your skills and expertise. You can create a portfolio by writing for free for websites or blogs, or by writing sample pieces on topics in your niche. Find clients. There are a variety of ways to find freelance writing clients. You can search for job postings on freelance job websites, reach out to businesses or websites directly, or join freelance writing groups on social media. It's important to have a professional website or social media presence that showcases your writing skills and makes it easy for clients to contact you. Set your rates. Freelance writers typically charge per word or per hour, and rates can vary depending on your experience, niche, and the complexity of the writing project. Do some research to find out what other freelance writers in your niche are charging, and set your rates accordingly. Meet deadlines and deliver quality work. Once you've landed a freelance writing project, it's important to meet your deadlines and deliver high-quality work. This will help you build a good reputation as a reliable and skilled freelance writer, which can lead to more clients and higher-paying projects. In summary, freelance writing is a great side hustle that can be done from home and has the potential to be very lucrative. With some effort and dedication, you can develop your writing skills, find clients, and build a successful freelance writing career.
Hello guys, first things first, thank you all for watching this video. I hope you have a good and a productive day. And today's advice is linked to the video, of course, like every time, and it's about side hustles and how to start one and what to do when you start one. So let's say you watch this video about this side hustle, copywriting from home, and you want to start it. And the thing that I like about this side hustle is that you don't really need so much money to start it. You don't need equal amount of money to build it up until you start it. You just need to have the desire to learn and improve every time. But overall, let's say you watch this video and you want to go into the copywriting side hustle, but you just close the video and hop on another video with something like the 5 best side hustle to start this year, and you hop on another video and another video and another video, and at the end of the day you didn't start any of those. So this is the important part. Let's say you watch this video and after you close it, you start taking action. So the best advice is just set on a niche, set on a side hustle and try it hard for like 1 month, 2 months. If it's not for you, you will see in the first 2 weeks. You will just not like it, you will think it's boring, and you'll just quit. But if you are liking it, in the first 2 weeks, let's say 2 months, then you will start to see some improvements and you'll start to see some results. So yeah, guys, this is the advice for today. If you are starting a side hustle, the most important thing is keep on going on it. And yeah, if you think this video helped you, hit the like and the subscribe button because it helped me a lot. And watch this video over here because this one is a powerful one. Peace.